Interesting question from one of the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs talking about the Amazon Transparency Program. In a nutshell, is it worth it? Is it worth enrolling your products in the Amazon Transparency Program? You give up some of your customer information, you give up some control. Is it worth it? In this video, I'm going to show you. The truth is, Amazon wants other people to sell your stuff. So what we call a listing hijack, Amazon calls customer care. Because if you, for instance, run out of this product, then the other person or people who are also selling this product, well, they've got product in stock, therefore the customer can still get what they want. And if we click on here, and it might actually be cheaper than what you're selling it for, okay? So again, customer wins. So what we call a listing hijack actually is something that Amazon encourages, which sucks ass, I know, but that's what it is, okay? So it doesn't stop that. But what it does stop is somebody selling a counterfeit version of your product, meaning they have your Nike trainers, for instance, and they're selling a version of your Nike trainers, but it's not actually the Nike trainers, okay? They're counterfeiting them, for instance, okay? That's what it aims to stop, just to be super, super clear. Is it any good? Is it any good? So the way that it works is when you put your products into the transparency program, you will be given little clear stickers to put all over your product. So each product that you sell gets its own sticker. So if you send 5,000 units of your product into Amazon FBA, you need 5,000 stickers, one for each product. Okay, so it's not your ASIN, it's per unit. Okay, and Amazon's actually got free codes at the minute, 20,000 codes you get for free, which also then tells you that it ain't free to use normally, because it's not. So normally there's a charge for this. So you have to weigh that up. You have to weigh that up. Is the additional charge worth it for you? I personally feel that all of the tools, certainly the tools that I've seen and been privy to in brand registry, are fantastic, and they really, really help. I am of the opinion that if you're going to sell on Amazon, you have to be brand registered now. Gone are the days when you could just not get a trademark and not get brand registry. Those days were 2016, 2017, 2018 even. But now you need to be brand registered. So it's worth getting. Now, should you join this transparency program? Well, probably not. Probably not. If you're in a massively competitive niche and there are people who are hijacking your listing, and they're doing it in such a way that when they hijack, what they're actually doing is they're selling a fake version of your product, then transparency will fix that 100%. You'll be able to kick them off. In fact, they won't even get on. They won't even get on, okay? However, if you've just got people reselling your stuff, then it won't make a jot of difference to it at all. And the only thing it really does in that situation is it gives Amazon more control over your business. That's really all it does. It's expensive if you've got 5,000 units to do, but I don't reckon it's worth it. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session that I host with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world, and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, be sure to check out the link below, or indeed you can just get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you in the next video.